Week 32. Um, it's Martin Luther King Day. Kids are out of school. She's playing video games behind me. Um, what did we get done this week? Finally got around to getting the MIDI hooked up to the keyboard that JV got for Christmas with his computer. Since I know nothing about Windows, had to call my friend Jay, who then hooked me up and told me what you need is ASIO for all, and it worked like a dream. Now he can play all the voices from the computer and the native instrument software through his keyboard. So thanks for the tech support. I needed it. I spent the week messing with Fables. There's 271 voices, so I got through most of them, but I kept getting distracted because some of them I just wanted to play with. And let's see what we got here. I'd pick something out, and it's like, oh, I just like noodling around with So would start messing around and feel like, oh yeah, that's just fun to play with, and I'd wind up having to get stuck just playing around with it instead of exploring all 271 voices and getting somewhere with it. Made a more full piece, and here, let's talk about it for a second. So I thought the voice here was really neat, but I thought it'd be even better as a chord, right? And then with a note repeat on, you can arpeggiate it, and you get this really lush little dreamy bell noise. The drum kit, there's a kick drum that I did not like as the kick, but I moved it on over and used it as a bass line, which I think works really, really well, like how you would use an 808. And so let's just go ahead and hear the whole thing. So that's Messing with Machine week 23. No, week 32. So that's Messing with Machine week 32. Um, happy to actually created something instead of just fiddling around or doing administrative stuff. Um, it had been like at least 3 weeks since I felt like I wrote something with the machine instead of just mess with it and get things moved around, which I am going to have to remove the hard drive that I put the machine software on, the all the voices. I'm going to move it to the SSD because the load times are kind of bugging me. It's a just regular hard disk, and it's a little bit too slow for me. So I'm going to switch it around, make that one my backup drive because I don't care how long it takes to back up the computer while I sleep. And I think maybe I'll get to it this week. Maybe I won't. All right. Have a super day.